Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool edit in Canva. So just have like a background ready and type in whatever you want. I'm just going to type in sweet. I'm going to go to fonts and I'm going to find one that's connected. Like that's not super connected, so I'm going to change it. That is connected, but I want it to be bolder. Maybe this one? No. Still no. Still no. Don't think that is even connected at all. What about this one? No. I am just gonna use the one I just used, which is this one. Nope, that's not the one I used. It's this one. Okay. Sorry. Anyways, I'm just going to make it like really big, like the text. Why is there so many space here? There we go. And I'm just going to make it like touch the edges of this like text here. I mean this image here. Then I am going to change the color of the text, and I'll go to effects here, and I'm going to also add in the outline. I'm going to adjust the thickness on it too. What you're going to want to do next is you're just going to want to export it. So share it and download it. And I'm just going to put it here. Then I'm going to delete the background, leave the text, go to elements and find some like another background. Maybe like this one. Why do I keep pressing print? I meant to like press this. There we go. And once you're done, you are going to add in the other one here. Place it behind the text. Go to edit image and select background remover. And you're just going to either delete the top or the bottom of it. I am going to delete the bottom part. It's fine if the text gets removed with it because you have the text overlay anyways. So it's fine. Then if you go back here, as you can see, half of it is the cupcake, half of it is the marshmallow. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!